Web 3.0, the future of crypto and how the internet is used. When a new technology is developed, its use cases are rather limited, don't you agree? However, as time passes, different applications emerge on the face of the planet and bring revolution to society. The crypto space realized that the platform is not only to hold digital coins or financial assets, but there is more to it. One of the workable use cases being developed is revamping the internet. Web 3.0 is the new form of internet that is expected to bring the anticipated change in the following years. Our discussion shall offer an insight into the evolution of the internet. Most importantly, what Web 3.0 is bringing to the table. Evolution of the internet. The web that we use at the moment experienced a drastic change for a decade. The changes are important to us as they help us understand the paradigm shift and the circumstances that took us there. Society has changed a lot with the internet as mobile applications, social media platforms, and metaverse have set the bar too high. It is essential to understand how the web evolved. The internet's evolution is partitioned into 3 different stages: Web 1.0, Web 2.0, and Web 3.0. Let us understand how each of them worked for human interest. Web 1.0. As the read-only web offering static content instead of dynamic, Web 1.0 was the first iteration of the internet. It lasted from 1991 to 2004. Most of the content consumers were participants, and the creators were the developers who created the website. The information was primarily in text and images format. Web 1.0 didn't offer much to the users with the least interactivity. Web 2.0. Web 2.0 can be commonly referred to as the interactive and social web. One doesn't have to go be a developer to participate in the creation and development process. It means that Web 2.0 has got you covered if you need to create your apps, craft a thought, and upload a video. Presently, we are dealing with this form of web. Additionally, Web 2.0 companies, including Facebook, Google, and Twitter, have more data, leading to personalized ads. More clicks result in revenue generation and monetization. Where this form of internet might be workable for the present, there are some shortcomings that wouldn't be compatible with what is about to come next. Web 3.0. Web 3.0 has drastic changes compared to Web 2.0, and decentralization is the most important one. This form of internet enhances the internet by offering permissionless, self-governing, trustless, verifiable, distributed, and robust, and not to mention the native built-in payments. It is a possible future version of the internet based on public blockchains that facilitate cryptocurrency transactions. The decentralized system means that the user doesn't have to wait for mediated companies such as Facebook to access the different sections of the internet. Essentially, no intermediary is needed to process the transactions and collect data. It improves the data privacy factor for the user multifold. Web 3.0 is a conscious effort to build an internet that facilitates peer-to-peer transactions, relevancy, and monetization while ensuring data protection, acting as the read, write, and trust web. Characteristics of Web 3.0. Before understanding the different projects for Web 3.0, it is important to know its primary traits. Following are some impeccable characteristics that are shaping a new world for us. 3D graphics. Web 3.0 would be incorporating 3D graphics. The three-dimensional design would be used in the websites and services, including museum guides, e-commerce, geospatial context, and computer games. Semantic web. The semantic web has covered its basis by improving the technologies exponentially. One can generate, share, and connect contents using search and analysis. The technology works on understanding the meaning of words instead of depending upon keywords and numbers. Artificial intelligence. Web 3.0 has enhanced the artificial intelligence of the web as the system works as a human brain would. Artificial intelligence is combined with natural language processing to provide faster and relevant results to satisfy the user's needs. Web 3.0 and cryptocurrency. Most of the protocols of Web 3.0 rely on cryptocurrencies. The public who wish to create, govern, and distribute to crypto projects are more likely to get a monetary incentive in the form of digital coins. Ethereum would be the famous blockchain in Web 3.0, as it facilitates the developers of dApps. Smart contracts and dApps automate the process, thus making the internet more dramatic. Web 3.0 would work perfectly with the metaverse, mainly because it will be easier to buy and sell NFTs, which represent the virtual ownership of cryptocurrencies. Following are some Web 3.0 cryptocurrencies making a name in the tech world. Let us have a look. Helium, HNT. Flux, FLUX. Filecoin, FIL. Polkadot, DOT. Kusama, KSM. Livepeer, LPT. BitTorrents, BTT. Ocean Protocol, Ocean. Cardina, KDA. Zcash, ZEC. Point to ponder. It wouldn't be wrong to claim that Web 3.0 is the cornerstone of offering something out of the box. The new breed of internet welcomes the decentralized version of the virtual world. Striving for transparency, Web 3.0 collaborates intelligently without having to worry about the data-specific repositories. You can count on this new form of internet to get the most refined results ever.